It will help you wear your heels like no other. I hate it when bra straps show, and I tell you the stain is gone in minutes. The strap snapped, so I fixed it with this. 15 items that will make you instantly look good. I have everything next to me on a tray, and I'm going to walk you through these items in no time. Let's start with number one, and something that actually saved me today, this gun. This is commonly known as something that shops use to put the tag. I bought this a while ago. I saw this as a hack on TikTok. Please take care because the size of this may vary. I always buy the smallest size, so it makes like the smallest poke. But the amount of times I used this since I bought it, immense, and it's always last minute. You know those tops that are crisscross and sometimes they are not sitting completely modestly in their place. One click, it's fixed. Today I was wearing that dress and the straps, because it's not very expensive, snapped. So I fixed it with this. I don't know if you will be able to see it, but do you see the strap here in this area? It is held by two of these, and really it is one of a kind thing that saves me every single time I'm getting ready. So I always recommend, if you want to be a lady that looks good, looks elegant and put together, don't sleep on this. Number two is something I shared before. These stain pens. I got this from the drugstore here, and I buy from this to my friends when I'm traveling as a gift. I put this in my bag, and whenever something drops on me, I open the pen and I press, and then do this action to kind of wipe the stain. And I tell you, the stain is gone in minutes. I've tested this with every type of stain you can imagine, and always it works like magic. Third, you know how the lovely sneakers crumble from the front and have those creases? This you can buy from sneaker stores. It's a support for the front part of the shoe, and when you walk, it allows you to go like this, but without completely screwing the front part of the shoe. This is a great invention, and you can find it in shoe shops. I bought this from Snipes here in Germany, and they are very soft, so it's not gonna hurt you. But if you have flat feet like I am, just putting a little bit of cream before you put your legs into the sock and wear this might help you not get bruises. But I tell you, this will keep your sneaker looking amazing, and I love this. Next, speaking of feet bruising, these are foot balsams. They're like Vaseline on a stick. And what I do is that whenever I wear a shoe, I know now all my shoes, I know which ones bruise me where. I will just wipe a little bit of this on the area that it will rub against the most, and I know I will get a blister, and this saves me from the blisters and actually allows me to walk longer without any pain. Love it, love it, love it. Next is something I'm actually using today, and I buy it always from Amazon, and it comes in bulk. It's this sticker to keep your earring in place. The sticker looks like this, and as you see, I took two today, and it really makes the earring, I'm not sure if you can see, stay straight and not like droop like this. It's really good also as support whenever I'm wearing an earring that I know with time it's gonna hurt my ears. It really keeps it in place and really gives me the support I need. For cashmere and wool scarves, sweaters, this thing or the comb are the best thing. I'm gonna demonstrate that. So if you have something like this, I'm gonna be very careful, going like that on top of it, this is going to really be helpful on removing these small thingies from it and really help you. All you have to do is brush in different directions, and as you can see, it immediately cleans it. And of course, when I do that, I don't do it the way I'm doing it right now. All I have to do is stretch the fabric on something. I usually use cardboard. I stretch the fabric on it and I start to brush it through, and it stays clean, as you can see, very easy, and gets rid of this I love this so much, especially on things that have a lot of peelies like this. It's the best way to get rid of them. I don't know how many times this saved me and saved my shoes in the streets of Germany. These plastic thingies for the heels, I don't know what they're called, but these are heel covers, and I tell you, these are my Louboutins. They're well loved and worn, as you see. I wear them way more. I need to make a cover on that at the shoe shop so that it's protected, because it starts to eat at the heel at the top. But as you can see, I have this here, and it's really protected. I have a heel protector, this is also another thing, and this. So the heel protector protects this piece from getting scratched by that. So I have like a double thing, these heel protector stickers as well as this thing. And I definitely recommend that for your heels. It will help you wear your heels like no other. And speaking of heels, since we're there, I've talked about these before in accessories. These are shoe clips. These are a great invention. These ones look like the Manolo Blahniks clips, not clips, like thingy. And all I have to do, as you can see, this is the shoe I like, and then I clip this on it, and immediately it transformed the shoe. This looks like a new shoe. I love these, and they come in so many looks. Next, I would say, I also talked about that, and I'm wearing one right now. Scarf rings. As you can see, this is an Hermes scarf I'm wearing. I wore it because I love this dress so much, but it's very low cutted from the middle in the front. So as a way to be a little bit more modest, I just put this on top of it, and with my scarf ring tied it. This stays all the time. It makes the tie even and look beautiful and put together, but also does not destroy my beloved silk scarf. I have so many different ones. This is the Morris. All of them were from Hermes, but you can find copies of these. This is the Morris belt. I love this because a belt ring, because you could wear it as a neck or collar thingy. You could make it into a belt. I love it. I also have the mini Morris, and I have this regular one. Bag bases. This is a foam structured base. When you have a bag, measure the base of the bag and buy these. You could also make these, but this is my Chanel wallet on chain, and I love this base because, let me show you, it helps me keep this and expand it. The wallet on chain, when I bought it, it was not as big as now. And this is the beauty of leather. It's stretched, and I could actually wear it like that because of the base. Now we're gonna go to my bra saver kit. I put all the bra related items in this bag, and it's always saving me when I need it. The very first thing I recommend everyone to have is the buddy tape. This is the Kinology tape. I think it's a muscle tape. I buy it in beige, and I use this a lot to do the different styles underneath my shirts. I have to say that I'm not always very successful with this. However, having it have saved me a couple of outfits. I love it. Another thing in this kit is this thing. I got this from Turkey. If you have, and this usually is done by me in winter, a bra that is really nice, but it digs very deep into your shoulder and it pains you and makes bruises, this thing, this silicone thing, really helps. I don't know what it's called, but it is a bra strap shoulder protection. You see how it wraps around the shoulder strap in this way, and it really protects and soothes from this dig. I use this with my shop bras because they usually dig deep, and underneath sweaters in winter. It's really helpful. In this bag I have everything. I have even extra straps, so that's that. Another piece that I always also swear by and think it is essential to have are these halter. Those are those plastic thingies that turn your bra into a halter neck. I hate it when bra straps show. So these small thingies, they're like wings. You put both straps at the back in them, And I usually get my husband to help me put that on, but it really helps the straps really disappear behind. Next, important to own, nipple covers. I am wearing one today. This is all TMI, but this dress comes with this embedded bra in it. But still, that embedded bra is not strong enough to not show my nipples. So having nipple covers really helps me in those situations be able to wear the dresses I want without having to worry that I'm flashing anybody. So it is that important for me. It is my kit for disasters, and it's always working. So I guess that's so far everything I could show you that helps me stay put together all the time. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you did not know about one of these things, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!